Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Ornamental Card Christmas Workshop, and that one's using this Ornamental Christmas stamp set and dies. And I'm featuring this card because this is a negative space card. We use the die cut. We use this cute die cut to cut this out of the black, and then we build up what we want it to look like in the front. So I'm just going to quickly go over that one for you so you can see. So I've got my black cardstock, and so what I'm aiming to do is I want it to be a little to the side, but I want there to be room for my message. So this is about where I want it to be. I'm going to grab my Big Shot and run it through. There we go. So what I'm ending up with is the negative space that I want, and then an extra. So we'll just put the extra aside for now. And then to decorate it, so we know that it's going to go on the back of some gold foil, which I cut the wrong size. And we'll just have to forgive that for a moment, because the main point is we're going to flip this over and we're going to add some glue to the back side because I want to add this. I want to add this stripe in here. So I'm just going to make it go from side to side, just so long as it doesn't peek out the front, you're good. And then make sure it didn't drag any glue. So now we've got, you can stop there if you just want a nice, cute little stripe, but I kept going. So I'm also going to add some paper to the bottom, and I'm going to add some paper to the top. And so I've got some stripe, and I want to emphasize that black stripe, I think. So I'm going to put that here. And I'm leaving a little space there on purpose because I want this gold to show through in the spaces that this paper doesn't go. So my piece here is almost the exact perfect size, which works out so nicely. Go that down. So now I have my ornament with some gold stripes and some circles. And when I put it on top of this, now I have some giant gold stripes as well. And so it looks so pretty. And that is how you would use that negative space and fill it with something fun. Now you've got this. You can always just add that to another card and use the inside, which we do in this workshop. So very fun. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.